Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to share with you guys how I made this carrot cake. This recipe I'm about to share with you guys is very simple. Trust me, you are going to love it. Watch the end and also help me to share. What you need for this recipe, you need fresh carrot, chop it into smaller size, transfer it to blender, go in with your eggs, your sugar, your milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water or dry powder milk. Go in with your sunflower oil or coconut oil, cover and blend very smooth. Like I said, blend it very smooth. You don't want to be seeing carrot on your cake. Once I'm done blending it, I'm going to sieve it out just to get rid of the leftover carrot from it before I proceed. This method is really simple. If you follow this method, you are going to come out with the perfect carrot cake. So sieve it and make sure you take off all the leftover carrot as you can see from it. And then next, I'm going to go in with my self-rising flour. So I forgot that I was not recording when I went in with my flour. So I added like 2.5 cups of flour into it. And then I mix very well to combine. So once I'm done mixing it, that is it. This cake is very simple, guys. Try it. You are going to love it. When you're mixing it, make sure you mix it very well. You don't want to see white part of the flour when your cake is ready. Then I added a little bit of vanilla flavor because I love vanilla flavor. You can go in with carrot flavor or whichever flavor you have. It's still going to come out perfect. So when you're done mixing it, this is the texture you want to see. Not too light, not too thick. Next, I'm going to transfer into my baking pan. As you can see, I already buttered my pan and then I gently transfer the mixture into it and then bake in the oven. At this point, my oven is already heated. I love to get my oven ready before I start baking. So when I put it in the oven, I'm going to reduce the heat of the oven and allow the cake to bake gently. So once I'm done, I'm going to transfer it into the oven and then that is it. Take a look at this and tell me, are you going to try this? Drop your comment in the comment section. This is very simple. Don't tell me you don't know how to make cake. Birthdays are coming up again. This is another new year. So tell yourself this year I'm going to bake my own cake or my kids' cake. Try this. You are going to love it, guys. Take a look at this cake, guys. Does it look like something you are going to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please do well to help me to share it, okay? So that it get to more people. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. See you all on my next one. Bye.